Hi, my name is Ruth Donnelly. I'm from Coachwood Nursery at Summersby, New South Wales, Australia. Today I would like to tell you about something exciting which we have been planning for some time, because for decades I've been growing and drying foliage and flowers for the florist industry and for people's homes to enjoy beautiful dried flowers like this gorgeous Australian native. We've also got things like amazing heirloom vegetables. That is from an heirloom vegetable. Then we have fantastic wall art. These are a mixture of Australian native and exotics. Or you might like to put that in a vase as well. So we're going to have a series of workshops, classes, tutorials over the next 6 months where you can learn every single thing you need to know about selecting, picking, preserving naturally, no chemicals, nothing artificial, and how to keep gorgeous colour in your plants that you pick, that you either collect from your friends' gardens, your family's gardens, or foraging from the wild, wherever you can get these amazing plants, both natives to your country and exotics. I've had experience in growing and trialling and using many of these plants for many decades. So for instance, we're going to learn how to not only make a wreath up, this is a very simple beginner's wreath, but learning how to actually make the wreath. There's many different wreaths that you can do, many different vines you can use. This is just one arrangement that we'll be looking at. We'll also make gorgeous posies which can be used for weddings. You can use these for gifts. They can also make fantastic arrangements again on walls, and also for many occasions that require something that's going to last for decades. So come and join me. I'm very excited to share with you my knowledge and to create the most amazing plants for your home and for your friends and family's homes.